Hello guys, good day. ZM Tactics, ZM Pizza po. So, quick review lang tayo for this unit, and this is Glock 17 Gen 5 made by SRC, and they partnered by Umarex. So, licensed version to ng Glock. Kaya nakalagay, official licensed product of Glock. So, ito yung manual niya. Ang kasama is, itong sa plastic is different kinds of plates para sa mga red dot like 3G Con, Doctor Sight, one magazine. So, loaded na to with 0.20 gram na bala. And syempre, yung unit natin, Glock 17 Gen 5. So, tatabi ko lang tong box. So, napakaganda ng markings niya. Ayan, kung makikita nyo. Ang ganda ng pagka-engrave. Ito yung kabilang part. So, meron siyang serial number. And meron din dito sa ilalim. Hindi ko sure kung kita nyo. Tapos may railing sa ilalim for flashlight or laser attachment. Yung sight natin is fixed sight na may white dot yung front. And syempre, meron tayong rear serration and front serration dito sa slide. Yung magazine catch natin is reversible. Pwedeng ilipat sa kaliwa just in case kung kaliwete kayo. And since Gen 5 to, yung slide release natin or slide catch is ambidextrous. So meaning left and right. So okay na okay to for mga left-handed shooters. Yung hop-up chamber is adjustable. Ito yung plate. Dito nilalagay yung plate para makabit yung red dot. So yung slide niya is made of metal. And syempre, since Glock to, yung grip natin or yung lower frame is made of polymer. Okay? Ayan, ang ganda nung trademarks niya, malinaw. Ayan, official license product of Glock. Ayan, so sa ilalim, ito, para siyang magwell, no? For fast reloading, unlike sa mga older version ng Glocks na hindi ganito yung shape. And then, ito yung magazine natin. So, kung mapapansin nyo, hindi natin makita yung inlet valve. So, ang kailangan nung natin gawin para ma-check or para ma-refillan ng gas is to remove the base plate. Ayan. Ito yung inlet valve natin. Okay? So, test fire. So, napakatigas ng mag catch nito, guys. Hindi katulad sa mga mas murang Glock. Yung mag-catch, malambot, sobrang lambot. May case na nalalaglag. Pero ito matigas, parang real steel. Pero yung trigger pull niya, hindi naman ganun katigas. Saktong-sakto lang. Isa natin. Okay. So again, yung bala natin is 0.20 gram. And yung gamit nating gas is Guarder. Okay. Firing. Ganda ng recoil niya. Snappy. 317. 318, 312, 312. Ayan, snappy yung recoil, guys. Maganda talaga yung gawa ng Umarex. So ayun, guys, kung gusto niyo nito, PM lang kayo sa page ZM Tactics Airsoft, ZM Speedsoft. And again, kapag tapos niyo nang gamitin yung unit, release the magazine and release the slide, rest the hammer. Thank you, guys. PM lang kayo.